Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the artifacts that you can create. So let's begin with the first one. First make some of the circles, oval shapes and the center area. This is going to represent a cute little teddy. Don't forget to make the patterns of the paws. Let's move further and try to make a cute little tiny sheep. This activity is the simplest of all. You just have to make the curvy circular portion. At the center, you just have to again make some of the curves and then you just have to make the bends. The rest of the features like the face, ears and the nose portion of this type of the sheep. Let's move further towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this beautiful butterfly. You just have to make some of the circles. You just have to make the wings from the center portion. You just have to make the zigzag pattern areas that are alternatively black and some with reddish in the yellowish in color one after the other. We are done with this. Let's move further and try to make another type of the beetle. First, you just have to draw the alphabet A. After that, you just have to make rest of the features like the D portion from both the ends and the wings. And don't forget to make the appendage that are the leg portion of these beetles. This activity is again very simple. We will move further towards another activity. You just have to make the curves that are somewhat similar to the C alphabet, and after that you just have to make the rest of the portion. This is going to represent a cute little tiny unicorn. So just try to make this one. We will now move further with another activity. You just have to trace down the number 6 and the 1, and after that you just have to build it and try to make into a cute little fox. This activity is simple and space suitable for the small kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Fill it with some bright colors. First, you just have to trace down these semicircles that are 3 in number. After that, you just have to make some of the patterns over it with the help of the pencil. Like for the first one, we have made a turtle, the second one, the frog, and the third one is actually the crab. Fill it with some of the bright colors. Let's now move towards our another activity. You just have to make the C type of the shape, and after that you just have to give it somewhat curvier look, and it's going to represent the dolphin. Don't forget to make the long snout portion from the front area, and this activity is again very simple and very easy. We will try to make this cute little cartoon character. For this one, you just have to make circle half shape. After that, you just have to make the elongated area from the top portion. The rest of the features like the eyes, nose, legs is also to be made. And after that, you can make use of some of the bright colors to fill it with. Next, we are going to show you again how we can make this beautiful teddy. You just have to make the 3 circles one after the another. Just pause the video and don't get confused. After that, you just have to add some more circles from both the ends that will represent the limbs of this cute little teddy bear. After that, you just have to make the more features like the nose, eyes and fill it with some bright colors. Here we are going to show you how we can make these cute little bunnies that are friends, and for this one you just have to make the alphabet S at the center, and then you just have to build the whole picture over the S that you have created earlier. Pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner and to try to give it a perfection. Let's try to make a meowing cat. For this one, you just have to write the number 6, 1, and after that, you just have to make a circle, make the ears. Now, the tail is to be made that's somewhat curvier, and you just have to make the eyes portion, and the whiskers is the very important part. Let's try to make this cute little mouse. First, you just have to make the 2 circular C's that are not complete circle but half one, and then from the upper portion, you just have to represent the body and the tail of this cute little frog and the cute tiny whiskers. We will try to make a monkey. First make a circle. From the lower one you just have to write 6 and the 1, and after that you just have to fill the features of the face like the eyes, nose and the ears, and you just have to make the rest of the features like the taily portion, and the limbs are to be made. That's the important one. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.